Hey folks, this is a piece of step flashing. Where we use this is when you have a wall and the roof butts into that wall. And what it does is it does exactly what it says. It steps the flashing going up the side. So as you run a shingle course in, you put this piece there, the shingle goes on top, and then you're gonna put another piece on top of that shingle. And then the next shingle will go on top of that. And the whole purpose is, the reason why you would step it with small pieces like this instead of a large, long piece is because you want that water as it runs down the wall to continually push its way out on top of the shingles. You don't want the water to stay in there and stay behind the shingles. That gives it more opportunity to move sideways and get into your roof deck. This is one of the biggest things that our guys inspect when we're out there, because when step flashing is done wrong, it's almost a guaranteed leak every time.